Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back, Kaspa community, to the channel. I wanted to do an update. Technically, not a lot has happened for Kaspa, to be honest, but I just wanted to do an update. Technically, I mean, it does look like Kaspa is building something up. In general, like the last time I covered it, I think was around I think it was a week ago or something, and there I said that we would either need to break above 4.9 or break down below 4.5. And neither has happened yet. All right, so Kaspa right now is really building up some sort of a big move, probably, which we're going to see soon. I would think. I mean, historically, if you take a look at Kaspa, usually it moves. Like usually it's trending, and then right now what you're seeing is that the ADX, which is an indicator of how trending a crypto is very low. So there's not that much going on for Kaspa right now, but still, I do expect that to continue soon. So we'll talk about that. Before we do that, though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades on in signals, like also when I will take a trade on Kaspa. But you also get access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So very, very valuable if you want to become a better and profitable trader. If you want to check that out, links will be down in the description. But for now, let's go to Kaspa. So overall, when looking at Kaspa in the last week, I think it's good to have a bit of an overview of what went on. What you'll see is that the volume has just been low. Like you can still see the volume where it was at the end of last week when there was still quite a lot of momentum right here. Like Kaspa had just dropped down, that was then. And the volume was around like 8 million in derivatives volume. And since then it has been very low. It's even at the lowest point almost. Of the entire week. And it's obviously weekend, so that's to be expected, but that speaks something about the situation for Kaspa as well. And the open interest right now, and that's interesting, is actually quite high. So a lot of positions are open, and that's again a major indication of volatility and momentum coming in. Because if there's a lot of money in open positions, what you'll get is that a lot of people will open or close or get liquidated. So there's potential for some sort of a short squeeze, but also a long squeeze. So when looking at Kaspa right now, I would argue that it's bullish. Like if you zoom out, all right? If you zoom out like this, so since the beginning of September has been bullish. And there's also, you can also see, I mean, I think we all agree on that there's a bit of bullish momentum right here. Now, overall, like very short term over the last week, I'd say Kaspa is neutral, especially with the ADX being this low. So the thing is that we are just waiting for that breakout. And the main resistance for Kaspa right now is this level right here between 4.9 and just below 5 cents. So what's going to happen in the next couple of days, probably starting like tomorrow evening or Monday, somewhere then, is Kaspa is going to try to break above this level at around 4.9 and 5 cents. And if it is able to break above 5 cents, I'd say it will go up to 5.5. And that, like, this looks like the most likely scenario. 5.5 at least, all right? That would be my first price target. And then from there, we'll see again. And the reason why this looks like the most likely scenario is that the market structure on the long run is bullish. On the short term, it's also relatively bullish. And it's building up momentum, even though the volume is still low. So I'd say this is the most likely scenario. Now, I must say that, like I said, it will be testing that level between 4.9 and 5 cents. So it will find resistance there. And if for some reason, it's crypto, things can happen. If for some reason from that resistance, it drops down towards 4.4, then the market structure is different. All right. So then this might not happen anymore. But if that happens, I will try to update you as soon as possible, because dropping down to 4.4 is also not all of a sudden the end of Kaspa. All right. It's still a major support. So difficult analysis. I'd say this is the most likely scenario. But like I said, I'll keep you updated. For now, this is my take on Kaspa. So thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great weekend and bye.